Hello, so you're welcome back to my series on AWS and I. Once again, my name is Damilari Odulesi. I'm a DevOps engineer and I'm also an AWS community builder. This is the episode 2 of this series. So today I'm going to show you how to sign in to AWS console or how to also sign up. So I'm going to start with signing up. So you load this URL, which is aws.amazon.com/console. So when you load this URL, it brings you to this page. So on this page is either you sign in, that's if you already have a registered account, or you complete sign up if you don't have a registered account. So let's complete the sign up here because we don't have a registered account. Let me you have a registered account. We'll get back there. So let's start with this complete sign up. So when you click complete sign up, it brings you to this page where it then asks you, it brings you to this page, this same page where you sign in. So because you don't have an account here, so you come here, you click create a new AWS account. So once you create this, then it opens up this sign up page where you put this place root user. Now I have a screenshot which I'm going to show you. So here you're putting your email address and you put in your account name. This is an account name that you want to use. Then you click verify email. So here let me show you a screenshot. So here's a screenshot of that same page. So you put in your email here, you put in your account name here, then you click verify email. So when you click this, it's going to send you an email for verification. The email will look like this, something like this. You're going to find it on your email address. So you will get a verification code. So you copy the code. Your code cannot be this. Don't get that twisted. You're going to get another code. So your code, you copy it. So once you copy it, after clicking this verification or verify email button, is going to load a page like this, which will be waiting for you to come and put in this code. So after copying this code, you come to that page, then you put in this your verification code. So once you click verify, it will load an up in that page. Eventually, you didn't get the verification code, you can always click resend code so that you can get another code. So after clicking verify, it brings up a page that looks like this. Now this page is your sign up page. This is where you're going to put in your password. So you create a new password here, you put in here, and you confirm the same password for your root user. Your root user is actually the email you use in opening your AWS account. So you click continue. After clicking this, it brings up this page. So this page, this is where you enter your details, your personal details here. You see, you put in your contact information, you see. So all of this, you put them there, your full name, phone number, address, and all of this. So after doing that, you, of course, click this, I agree, I have read and agree with the terms and condition and all that. So you click this continue. After clicking this continue, it brings you to this page. Now, this is the page where you will be asked to put in your billing details. That is your credit card. AWS requires that you sign up with a valid credit card, and the credit card has to be valid because by convention, AWS owes $1 on that account. They hold it to themselves. So you have to use a card that is valid and that has money on it, So after putting in your card details here and all, so you click verify and continue. After doing this, it brings you to this page, a page that looks like this. So this is the page. So here is the sign up. So you confirm your identity here. To confirm so it's either you click send through text or voice. So it's going to send you a code which to your phone number, and you put in your phone number here. It's going to send you the code either as a voice call or as text. You also put in this security check and you click send. So once you get that code, once you click this, it opens a page that looks like this. So the code that was sent to you either via text or via voice call, you put that code here. You click continue again. Afterwards, you get to this page. It opens a page like this. Now here is where you select your support plan. So there are three major support plan. This is a basic support plan, which is for free tier. So you don't have to pay for all this support plan. If you want a developer support plan, of course, you can see the price. You pay $29 per month. And if you want a business support plan, you pay $100 per month. So for this cost, so I'm just going to choose a basic support plan. So after clicking complete sign up, then it loads a page that looks like this. So you have a page that looks like that. Say, oh, congratulations, now have your AWS account sign up completed and all. So you click go to AWS console. However, before clicking this, let me show you. After completing this and it brought you to this page, there are two emails you're going to get. The first email looks like this, which says welcome to Amazon Web Services, just something like this. Then the second email looks like this, which tells you that you have for the next 12 months you have free access. This is under free tier. So as far as you do not use beyond the limit of free tier, you have that free tier access for the first 12 months of your sign up. After the first 12 months of your sign up, of course, the free tier package will be over. So you have free tier packages and there are limits to what you can use, but you can use them for 12 months. So those are just the email. So like I told you, normally if you are not after this page, you're supposed to click go to AWS Management Console, which looks like this. It looks like this, the same console we started from. So you have this. So you just from here, then you click sign in. So here there are two ways majorly, apart from other ways which we are going to treat later, to sign into your email. Is either to your AWS account console, is either you sign in through your root user or you sign in through your IAM users. So because this is a new account, you don't have IAM user yet. So you are still going to create this IAM user. So you have to sign in with your root account, which is your email address, which you use in signing up. So after putting in the email address, we click next. Then it asks you to put in the same password which you created here. Let me see where you created the password. Excuse me. Okay, the same password you created here. So you're going to impute it into the next page that opens up after this. Then you'll be able to sign in, and that's it. So that's it for this episode. In the next episode, we are going to open up the whole AWS dashboard. Then I'm going to take you a walkthrough. So this is AWS and I, and this is the second episode of this series. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Like I told you, this is a long series and expect more. So see you in my next video. Don't stop learning.